You know, new week, new episode.
News.
Zanyangas. Uskot maphuma ndakuzil distract.
You are live on the podcast. I have a question for you. Ngihlela nophili boiler. Ngahleki.
Yeah, kolakali. I don't know, it's kind of a good place to like relocate.
If
dog, like,
if you don't mind eating a dog, feel.
Yeah,
Adile. Ba no tshwana nomakhazi.
that kid.
Alright ekhaya. Apparently bekatshola noZuzi. Apparently.
Khona lengicaba ugelayo bamshanga yamura la.
Cala ukubona ustaff asaba abantu.
Hey dog.
And yacaba bengifunda nabantwana bakaMpora. Ublessing noBlessed.
Blessing the blessed.
Yeah. My brother.
Adale my brother. Hayi namhlanje ngihlela sonke ayiliphilo leli ya. Yeba.
22, that's
22.
Finally.
22.
Hlale kamnandi ngibe
fam.
comfortable.
Sorry.
And ade mic sondele kakhulu.
Action.
Sinele kakhulu.
I right.
Entanga, can you please pass my phone there?
Ngiyazwakala ngithi grand.
The other one.
Yazwakala
Lene
great.
cover. Yeah.
Okay.
Yazwakala boy. Yo.
Oh. Yeba.
Yet another episode, my brother.
C2 futhi. Final.
A Popeye and Spinner episode, guys.
Yo, kunini.
Yo, kunini sinama guest.
Nini.
Yo,
Yes. Yes.
we've been having guests. Otherwise, my brother, how are you?
Hey my brother, I'm excellent. You know, new week, new episode.
News.
Zanyangas.
Mina ngishaya izaza vandaag ngana lens.
Khulule.
Mara ngiyakubona.
Khululeka. Baz.
Yo, my brother, it's been a long week.
On that note, dog, njengoba ukhuluma ngamabhazi, ejoke what's happening in hip hop, dog, like yini lama beef la abakhona? Like why is uBlake beefing no Usimemani?
Yeah,
And-
bese khona lento le ubani ukill switch ubani le.
And then khona leyo, khona uSpeedo.
Ubani le vele.
What?
Le kill switch ubani?
Angibazi.
Mahlathi, who's the kid, dog?
I don't know these people.
Woza,
Kill
woza.
Brady. Kill Brady.
Oh, Kill Brady.
Uzibiza ngo Kill Brady.
And then khona ingoma bamshayele yona kill konje yini kill what? But there's something ibabhale ngathi igama lakhe vele. Like
I-diss track.
yeah.
Hey dog, hip hop bengisukela ngithi feel, I think it's coming back. Mara ngishilo mina ngathi hip hop is built on
a beef, yeah,
on ama
yeah.
beef.
But-
Mangana beef there's no hip hop.
There's no hip hop. Angithi manje, but then uyacaba into eboranga lento ama beef ne. It's gonna die out again. Khumbula Big Zulu did the shit.
Oh, nabo
Questa, Abo Duncan.
Duncan inking wayicima fast. Now Duncan uye over yo.
Yeah.
Duncan dog.
And Big Zulu na into beka yisho ukuthi nah la I'm not fighting anyone. I'm just being some
Buyisi
hip hop. Yeah. But izofa. Yabo Kill Brady dog angizithini lento namayikhuluma.
Uthi zofa dog. Ipiano lisayenza uScott maphuma ndazil distract la.
Scott Maros question.
Utshela ipiano pulse ukuthi bathenge couch.
I think piano pulse no music pulse. Yeah, music
Oh
pulse.
yeah, music pulse. Ay mara lento le.
Mara they were using amadiding most lapha yana what's this called company boy. Oh.
Ndoda athi
Basebenzisa lethu lezi ama producer lapha ama gaming chairs mas.
azibathengi couch.
For in.
Athi nani lapho ma podcast thengani couch akasabi like ayina
I
basiwe.
saw that shit dog. I saw that shit. I'm like Scott Marazini. Scott angaphelele. Scott angaphelele.
Like damani we yabona baba ring ivarma bathi like he cracked the code ukuthi how do you actually beat the game?
Yeah,
How do you
yeah.
train? How do you win? Dog? Because from uGon kanje ubonile ukuthi uGon kanje uyenza nekeeper.
Yeah, I saw the skippers. Yeah,
No,
futhi
mama.
beyagcokile yakhick le bekadlala ingoma leyo mas.
But manje yazi into ebhlungu. They say support local artists. Iskipper sakhona dog 4.5.
Just because ibhale khona kanje.
Okay.
Aye.
Aye.
We love supporting local, ne, but
Yeah.
aye. Nope.
I think into enzima ngokusupport ama local brands because
Yeah.
take this for example. We are shop. Ne? Now you're like, okay, we retail like a well-known retail sports
Sure,
scene, name them. That and you can buy in a scholar or
Yeah.
you understand? Uzothola uspende 250 that day phela just
Yeah.
because you pay the portion of it.
Ilay
You
basically.
understand?
Yeah.
Kuleyo 250 leyo uphumela izinto ezingaki
Yo,
amabruka
dog.
ethu
Yeah.
ikhipanyana ezi3 or ezi4.
Yeah.
But then you go to a local brand
Eish.
leyo 250 leyo kuphumela nangeskipa.
Makakhona amanye lawa.
Mara my point dog.
Yeah,
Leyo
I get you,
250
I
leyo
get you.
kuphumela iskipa maybe si quality uzothola nge500.
Yeah.
And abanayo lento ukuthi uzobhadala njenge TFG.
But awukhona ukulebaya ama local brands.
I'm not
I
sure.
think kudlisha selebaya.
Kisha angazi. Yalipa vele.
Ngicabanga umfonela ngembuzi.
Abayenzi leyo ukuthi ibhadale like maybe in a period of like
3 months.
Yeah.
Let me call her and ask. Or ngifonela uNkuku Siswe.
Angazi ngafoni. Crazy dog.
Let me ask.
Mara like yangizwa mara mahlathi dog. Like into esikhawathayo ngokusupport ama local brands. We do want to weigh izinto zama local brands but manje hey Joe, to be blunt, you can't afford dog. Ne 500 yokugcina dog ngidinga iattire for the weekend. Ngidinga attire for the weekend but now I can only get iskipa esi1 kuphela. Ibruka ngila 4 iskipa me ibruka maybe 1.2.
Yeah.
Into esikhawathayo.
I know.
Abantu ababhanda abagcoka impahla dog just know ukuthi if Joe umuntu unless laba zikhona
Yeah.
if umuntu mfethu unempahla straight bazi ukuthi indoda somehow somewhere bayakolota la like sase ukuthi usayibhadala premium
Ngisho sa stock.
ufuna la ongazama inkukhu
uNkuku off vele yena vandaga akekho uzoba khona late. Angithi lezi
Let's call
Simza. Let's call Simza. Yeah, let's call Simza
that's
fit.
right.
Nathi siyabaza abantu abana brand yo.
Papaya dog papaya yo amara
Let's
yo
call
a lot has
Caesar, Phil.
a lot has happened this week dog Madlanga commission oh no it's before siyakumadlanga
Yeah.
shebi shit dog bamdeny bail
Agule.
again no mpethu akaguli
Kwenzakalani?
le prison warder le that was taking care of him ukhulumile court ukuthi untwana didn't need any medical attention the time ase
How?
so he's fully
futhi.
so he's fully fit ukuthi vele anga stand a trial and a service sentence yakhe
Mara nakhona why bayenze aba public dating le?
kanjani he's a public figure ke
Yeah, but then ama medical records doctor confidentiality yini doctor patient
no bebabuza
Simza yeah.
ufake loudspeaker
Simza. Simza.
Oi.
Ukraine my brother.
Yes.
Ukraine.
No.
Yeah, mnandi ntanga you are live on the pod. I have a question for you, Phil.
uhleli nami phela
Phil no pretty boy la.
yebo lapho
Okay.
My brother.
Come back.
As a local brand owner, do you lay by?
Yeah.
We are lay by Phil.
Ngene baya ini?
Iswenkasibali yavuma ukuthi slay by na.
Yeah, sure.
Ha, serious?
what about
2
paying
months phela.
Oh, 2 months.
2. Yeah.
Nice.
so besides lay buying what about paying ukuthi let's say impahla uzithobile and then you can pay the balance
No, you can't do that.
you can't do that
Ah, yeah. All right, my brother siyabonga. We just had that question, Phil.
Sure.
Away. You.
I stand to be corrected yeah.
Oh.
Which means you can do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
That's nice though
Oh, Mahlori sekangijika. Shit.
yeah ngiyothenga impahla zakaSwenka
Okay, let's call Mahlori and ask. Uswe. No, Mahlori, no Uswe off. Like I think he went hiking today. Bani. Boss lady. Ukrend.
Kunjani?
Sikrend ntwana. We are live on the pod ngihleli no pretty boy. I have a question for you as a local brand
ungitshela izinto
owner.
eziconfidential ngitshela nama too
Uma kancane. Ngithi you are live on the podcast. I have a question for you. Ngihleli no pretty boy la. Ngahleki.
yeah kolakali
Mamela, wait. As a local brand owner, do you lay by?
Sorry, you were saying?
Ngithi as a local brand owner uyavuma abantu balebhaye
Do I have a Malay
uyavuma ukuthi abantu balebhaye na
lay buy you clothes
No, I don't.
why
because people don't come back. I mean, if you don't have left 50% at that time,
Yeah.
now I want to make quick cash. So there's going to be someone who's a skipper like manje. When you leave 3 months, you might not even come back and someone be 20 rand yakho.
Nice. I'll fade. I will get you.
Makes
Thank you for your time.
What a reason.
All right.
Sharp.
Marius Kawa kusala.
Hey ndoda. Kona nginoswena uyangifonela. Yo.
All the brands.
Hey ndoda.
Asika nje ndoda yini influence.
Cooks.
Sharp. Isho yangitshela uMashori, ceda ufone.
All right, mamela ke. Nawe siyakubuza as a local brand owner, do you lay by?
Yeah, live on the podcast.
You're live on the podcast, ne?
On the website only.
Or on the website only?
Yeah, there is options where kunjani ukulibhaya.
Oh, nice.
Nice, bro.
3 different answers, baba.
Joe, like,
Feda
Joe,
siyabonga.
that's
Thank you for your time,
crazy,
my brother, ne?
Baba sibulele namuhla abasoyi mix itololo.
Hey ndoda ngibonile.
Babanjiwe, eish.
We. I know, seqeda kahle. We are on the podcast right now. It's saying kahle.
Okay, sharp.
Local brands are evolving.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
That's good.
I
I
think-
stand to be corrected.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tati earlier.
Yeah.
Things was good to do better.
Yeah.
So Kaspal is next. Ngisafuna ukuqeda lesikoloto nyana nje ngina society.
Oh.
So Kaspal, which means you labor la. Me, wini attire nje
Mara
up to
we
bottle.
mele sikhulume nawo simza usasikolo tikipa zethu ntanga.
Oh yeah.
Popa and spinner.
King ukuthi kuyathusa ukuthi mfethu ngicungi kanti lesa skipa lesiya.
No, it's not free yangithi. He has to make them, then we pay for them. Staff price.
Oh, nge-staff price.
Yeah.
Uyakazenze vele, we
Get
don't
it.
mind. We don't mind. Yeah. No, shut up.
And then Mr. Bopa yena. What's going on?
Okay. I asked him, I followed up on Mr. Bob. Shout out Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob offered ugu sends a brand ambassador for
Bopa Vel.
Bopa Vel, which is his brand. But then shayizandla mahlathi. Yeah. So but then the problem untwana ukhale ngento ewana uthe like umshini wakhe usampetela. So he has to fix that. After fix lento leyo he'll have the match ready for
nice.
us.
Feel
Just my size and everything.
All right.
But yeah, shout out to Bopa. Check him out on Instagram. It's
Yeah.
Bopa. It's
Mr. Bopa official.
Official. But
Yeah.
he branding, I think it's Bopa clothing or something like that. Yeah.
No, fair, no.
Bopa.
Bopi ingane, Bopa.
Sekuvela amabhoza.
Disturbance.
Isitafu.
Oh,
Isitafu
Ntwana. I saw something during the week.
Yeah.
Khona should my in China.
Come on with
Whenever you're feeling stressed, ne, mele ukhumbule into eyi-1. In China there's a freeway.
okay.
Khona freeway in 25 lanes, ne. 25 lanes and then it turns into a 4 lane.
Yo. So iyavuleka and then it narrows.
Imagine. So whenever you're feeling ngathi uphethe stress, funa ukuzibulala, uphethe depression, khumbule lento leyo.
Ambiyozama ukujump 25 lane.
Yeah.
But then how is it 25 lane structured, dog?
Oh no. There's a picture of it. I'm getting stomach cramps. I don't know what's going on.
Ayibondoda.
Indoda.
Yile nyama enizidla endlini zantu ngazidla.
Nah, I think it's the alcohol.
Jeez,
boy.
man. Okay.
Yeah, 25 lanes.
Ooh, and then it narrows
narrows
out
down to
there,
4,
yeah.
dog.
It narrows down to 4.
Cover the traffic era.
Gee.
And then ngathi border pass.
And we have ukuthi vele China there's this crisis ukuthi like kunokuba ne traffic jam ukuthi you can stuck for days with traffic jam. And there are people ukuthi there's even like ngizathini like a business plan abayenza abantu ukuthi like when you're stuck in traffic you can hire someone ukuthi akuhlalele in traffic I drive India kaya kulethele yona.
Oh.
Because I need you can be there for days.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so
then
umuntu
umuntu
ange-
uspana-
yeah, when ungavela walk over.
That's why there's so many remote jobs in China, kusho ukuthi.
Yeah. But it's China, dog. I don't know. Is China a good place to like relocate?
If
dog, like-
if you don't mind eating a dog, feed.
Eating a dog. Manje badla namakati.
Yeah.
Badla a wholesome da. What's going on?
We need a production break. Akazi khamba ntanga. Yo, mara feed and we can continue.
Bana so stop.
Yeah, no.
You 20
Ngizonitshela mengaba wes.
Okay. Yeah. Uphuza amanzi awoma. Izo.
No, it's not that stomach, like a muscle cramp, dog. La.
Oh, maybe they were killing a con. Fuck
Maybe,
kilo
yeah.
ngayibo. Seyakuka no.
No, eish.
Mdala stuff.
Niyaphuza ngapha.
Mdala stuff.
Mfethu.
Stuff mdala. Ngibona ushama get down izolo.
Hey. Ngakhuluma ngalezo yini.
Yeah. Jayiva ngathi mamela ingoma zakho lezi.
Yabona. And you know what's going on, Mahlathi, ne dog. Please like take the mic, ungayivi yakho. This guy is bashing my music, dog.
Yeah, ngathi le ingoma zakalude the DJ leza sidlala egcineni nokubona mawuthi chop ingoma. Uthi ayichop ilaleli.
Sure.
Ungayilaleli kwi-last ungayilaleli kwi-last 2 minutes. Ivele ichithi. Irasu kudlula ingoma.
Mr. Stylist, ne. I used to get my locations there, dog. Once upon a time.
Everyone thought that guy.
Blackie.
Now he's judging my music.
That's to the T to the Y.
You know that's the yeah, outside finally 2 minute episode.
Oh, yeah, inside.
Miss these two troublemakers, eh?
Yeah, and we have a gig today. Shout out to Abu Spillion.
Spillion, Don Spillion, and Shido and them, their crew. Shout out for putting us on. Set today at 6.
Yeah, we'll 6.
We can 6. Oh, we think we can 6. We can mention it.
Yeah, we
at
can 6 now.
We can, something.
Yeah, at Food AF. So
yeah.
Angeke ngithi catch us.
Yeah, they must catch the
live
BTS
mix
vlogs.
Yeah, BTS vlog.
Yeah, it's going to be a live mix going. Yeah, ENT domain will be operating there. Or
Tech Supreme, yeah.
Tech Supreme.
ENT domain, Tech Supreme.
Okay, slash. They'll be like recording our live set, so shout out to them.
We are moving.
We motion.
Yeah, wave.
Some forward.
It's the Shushubi's level.
Back to what you were asking me.
Yeah,
I feel like everybody has a
Wait, what was the question?
Music. Why judging music?
Yeah, wow.
Oh, hey.
And he's judging.
You know what's crazy?
You know what's the
There's a music genre that he is in love with.
Yeah. No, I thought
so every one of us has that one music genre.
You know what's going on right now?
Jamaican music and Brazilian music, dog. Brazilian is even fire.
My point exactly.
Brazilian is even fire. I want to sing that and Kaiser Zalakon. Except Brazil,
Brazil.
My guy.
No.
See.
I've been out of e-piano for quite some time now because being a self-producer at all. So same day I'm like, I think there's something ukuthi ngoma snippets emuva kube ne sound nyane ezopusha ama snippets yabo. Ngafaka le ecava konje ithini le Vox yakho, it's a Vox. Ikhala nomshini la. You need to listen to the bass drum. I'm gonna forward you the song.
Even as loud as annoying.
Yeah, it's a TikTok song. Like when it's a TikTok song.
White people music.
No, I'm making white people music.
White people music is not like annoying.
I'm making white people music now.
White people music isn't country music.
Bro, have you listened to Tech?
About Tech, about ETM.
Oh,
yeah.
Excuse you.
Oh, yeah, dog. Right now I'm working on my EP right now. And I don't have any
shout out.
For it. It's gonna be mostly Afro house. Yeah.
Papa usually ngomas lozidlala.
Yeah. Angithi mangiyi-1 vele mina as staff DJ ngishaya yona Afro house. Yeah. So
shut up, right?
Yeah, man, I'm trying.
Zifunani piano.
Ipiano movement.
See ya, he's such a big dreamer.
Yeah,
but moving
nothing.
Oh, me,
I know you with them cause you know me, I brought the things that I thought were interesting. Mara life yami ngoba iyabhora.
Come on with it.
Ngizothi mangicala ngithi ubonile uBlack Coffee yenze njani yabo.
Breaking news, hottest news in Foslo Ras.
In heist.
CIT heist that happened close to Naledi Mall at that intersection.
Batopi mala bantu.
Khona le ngibonile video petty stake nje ayamsama xibakani. Easy yawakhipha lahlela phansi. Joe, mina what I want to know ne? What are the financial implications that are going to affect Foslo Ras, like economy Foslo Ras? What are the financial implications that are going to affect
financial? It's not only us, but like as a country, because unfortunately that money was going somewhere, right?
Bafethu,
It was going
listen.
somewhere.
Yeah, it might be going somewhere.
So
ne?
as a country,
You have to remember one thing, ne? Lama CIT lawa, lento lezi zihambayo, they're insured. They're insured.
is the money insured too?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yacava ukuthi mina what was my analysis of leya video ne? Dog, where were the cops, dog? Bawupha amaphoyisa because
And it's-
kuneboard lapha elibhale 1 kilometer
1 kilometer away.
amaphoyisa. Joe,
Wasabu kuye.
my analysis is this. CIT bombers, ne?
Have connections.
Besides that,
Oh.
those are military veterans and people that are experienced with like
Explosives,
like
yeah,
high value guns, Joe.
Yeah.
When ubaba wakho babuspia bamnike bamfaneka respond to that dispatch ngephamkani ka 2001
Khohla.
ay bra
Correct.
that's like I feel like it dispatch bayitholile ukuthi dispatch kune heist that's happening
yeah.
you understand 1 kilometer away from there but nabo bathukile labantu babo.
Mina my 2 cents is ithema lami lisipana nalabantu fed. He's a usipana union in. So
Baba khona ya bomb.
no.
Hey, dog, say-
Union.
yeah union
Ya abantu abadriver lama
CIT
CIT ama truck nani. Yeah.
oh marino na okay
How not?
uyabalwela vele
Yabalwela.
baba,
So
okay.
there was a time where bebakhuluma ngayo. This year labo khona ama highest by 90 something or 100 and something.
Damn.
Yeah. So one thing he said ne futhi he
Dog,
went to
can you please search ukuthi how many CIT heists have like occurred throughout the entire year yaka 2026 so far
2026 it made me
2026,
over 20.
skis folk this
Yeah.
stage,
So one thing he said ne ithi inkinga ukuthi nabo labantu laba spana da uma CIT they might be involved in all these
yeah
things.
vele inside
Yeah.
job
So
angeke uyenze into emassive kanje without umuntu
exactly.
wangaphakathi
Because now
khona umuntu okhipha number
yeah after number ne connection namahata
That's
ukuthi ntanga
another thing.
bekona bomb la force lo wena
make
ringa
sure
nama out
ukuthi
wakho
amachita waveli
yeah
because
10
shower
minutes
sana.
nyana
yeah
yeah
after 10 minutes
Yeah,
angaveli
bangaveli,
because though
yeah.
bashaye iCIT CIT cash in
Ndoda,
transit
ibhamu,
vehicle dog
ibhamu,
1
everything.
kilometer away from the police
they
station.
never made it.
Joel, there's a video. How long is that video? Akunama video mining, but there's a video that is like 5 minutes long. Itshengisa yonke lento leya ukuthi kenzakala another time kuzabantu.
Yeah.
Joe kudlule almost 30 minutes bayenza okay almost boma 10 to 15 minutes bayenza lento leya.
Yeah.
Baboma le moto leya. Ngitsho no response no one.
Nix. And I mean the sad part is
Crazy.
balimaze abantu bekaphumila
Yeah, civilians casualties. Are there casualties?
Yeah, Mahlati said something about that. Mahlati.
Hlathi, are there casualties kule yanto leya kuya CIT? Damn,
Oh.
bro. I
Civilians-
saw bathi 3 ongakhi ne civilians they were trying ukuthi baye lapha bayidompa imali kadala umuntu uzodulile evele belokhe ishaye crowd control
Oh.
because don't ask me how I know but magenzo ama CITs ne there are roles that you play enhle
Yeah.
ngangibuza GTA
Yeah.
kunomuntu oshaye crowd control
Yeah.
which was that guy
Yeah.
kunomuntu
Ulomela
ophila-
kude lo.
na- yeah crowd control lo vele oshaya isibhamu
Oh, yeah.
kuxosha abantu
Oh,
bangenzi.
yeah.
And then kunomuntu wama explosives kunomuntu ohlanganisa ibhamu kune driver
Yeah.
kune obviously number
Yeah.
telecoms Joe, it's a lot of things that are invested with CIT bomb.
Yeah.
So, Bafethu, the number of heists, CIT heists, this year, I think for the past 3 months, because it's not showing the whole year.
The whole
Oh,
year.
yeah,
Yeah, for the past 3 months, there've been 59 heists.
Jedile ukuthi it's more than 20.
Yeah, in the past 3 months. So it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Shouldn't my abantu these gens are eating via this thing, ne?
Mara bayabanjwa abanye bayafa. So what's the point?
Bayingakho abantu ababanjiwe.
No, so far I don't know. You could check that too.
True. Because the biggest story ungakhohlwa uthi every time akubanje umuntu we-CIT. So there's a big story.
No, they don't do that anymore.
They don't.
There's too many highs, true.
Yo, because remember the last biggest story saphuma about the CIT that I'm familiar with. Yo.
Nah, it's still okay.
Ile le yathenga iFerrari. Le
Oh,
bebashaye
yeah,
futhi
yeah.
there was in CIT
Airports,
bebashaye
yeah.
airports. That's the last
Uthenge Lamborghini,
story.
so Ferrari Lamborghini.
Oh, this guy
Yeah.
ahlala emkhukhini.
Ifana laba.
Mudimu testa na.
Yo,
Testa na. Iriji testa na fela.
Mara icaba into engidinayo mina nge-life ne.
Yeah.
Imagine yabona njengoba sihleli kaso we decide today ukuthi yazi some shy heist. Bese mudima its example ka
Karuna my dog.
That would be so sad.
Iphezi
dog.
ikhanda la kaMahlathi.
Dog.
Dog. It's like, imagine if you just wanted to go buy that last burrito,
Ntwana yami, now
then you had to lose your life over that last 2 clip, and you know what this other thing is showing? It shows how hungry people in the townships
Yeah,
are, bro.
dog. You can even risk your life go to Tony
Dog,
Steak.
nah, that 2 clip, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, Ntwana, because immediately Ntwana, and yazi Ntwana ubheka yonke lento le, immediately they were done with everything, ne? Abantu vele flocked in.
Yeah.
And then there was someone after maybe mabaqeda ukufloga in literally like a minute or 2. Then someone started screaming, I'm a boys. Choose labantu laba bahlokile isikhathi ukuthi okay sharp labantu maybe bazo prepare because obvious ukuthi even namahata angeke bazilahlele khanda kanjalo, you understand. They have to plan bazoshoot okay this is happening, we going to vala this side dispatch asigcokeni in whatever by prepare.
What I'm saying is because we have a lot of heists in the country, why bangayenza division edila nalento le like emagateni?
I think ikhona dog. Isn't it our
How
SWAT
many
team?
Madanga commissions do you want?
Hey, dog.
No, ngithi division like emagateni ne, not the Madlanga commission thing, like a division ukuthi when there's a heist but deploy laba.
I get you.
But in each and every 1 kilometer away police station, dog, like it's crazy. So 1 kilometer to look respond. I thought I wish we could have a brigadier or something slightly nice. Why, like, what are the preparations they go through whenever they hear dispatch or like there's a CIT bombing close by? Because ungakhohlwa uthi
Angicabanga sibiza green pin eli1 khona ngazi.
uyo dispatcher nana netonki piri.
Une pepper spray how?
Uzithela lapha ya.
Ufika bathe,
Bathila ngama explosives nama AK47.
Yeah.
Wena ntate Sibiya, tate Mutaung. Utla ka AK40, utla ka pump gun ya 2001 mo. Come on bra. Bazokudubula lekhanda lakho ukuchopha
Mina
phansi.
ntanga mangathiwa bengihada beye ngizingene bengizola nodop mali na.
Kanjani, but you saw like you saw under the oath in South Africa to always serve. To always serve, dog. To always serve. Now when it's time to serve, when uthi no ngingizingene kanjani, dog.
Ngiyofela imali engase yami.
Dog, mara like you saw under like you took under oath, dog. You saw is it the right
Swearing,
word?
yeah. Swearing under oath, you swore.
You swore under oath. Yeah, I understand. Under oath, dog. That's something.
Anata khona abantu abaqamba manga ecourt.
Mina ngisafuna ntanga sibe ne guest eSocha. And
Khona
the
engimazi.
Amele tanga like I want
on the note ya guest.
They can
Konta bangakhona ukuzitshela zona khona nyenge abakhona ukuzitshela.
Okay, disclose okay.
Contributing thing on the note ya guest.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on with it, my brother.
Hey, Bafit. When we call you as a guest, ne, it's not an interview.
Hey,
Man.
let's set the record.
It's not an interview. It's not an
straight,
interview.
dog.
The name of the podcast is Chila Nami.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gents, ladies and gentlemen,
bruh.
please understand us.
It's not an interview, guys.
Mawuthi ufuna by guest la, don't expect sharp. Vele you wanna
We're
push your
gonna
brand
ask
nani.
questions here and there, but
Yeah, we understand you wanna push your brand,
Yeah.
but don't expect an interview. Faka your two
Expect
cents.
a
Yabona sikhuluma
conversation,
kanjani?
yeah.
Into esiyifunayo. You wanna
Yeah.
talk about current affairs, wanna talk about fun, you wanna talk about random questions. Culture, everything. Angeke mfethu suspend
and in between lapho masilo sikhuluma, we asking you
I
some
understand.
questions.
Yeah, we'll cue you in ukuthi
We don't
sibuze
need to
about
cue anyone. We will make a plan ukuthi sikhulume ngento
sikubuze,
ezayo.
you understand, usitshele kabanzi ukuthi wenzani. But now abanye mabezalana like sharp, the numbers will make sense because now une fan base yakho. But episode ipap ufila kanjani wena manje
Amara underscore tell ufuna rematch. I understand she was shy, Shem.
Yeah, she was shy,
And
but
we were
that
not
episode was in
thinking-
pop, dog.
Yeah, it was
That
nice,
episode
it was
in pop,
nice,
yo.
it was nice.
Sengikhuluma in general ukuthi like I'm a guest, please future laba basibukelayo that want to be part of this thing ukuthi naye ahlale la umuthi imnike mic ashashalaze.
Khona ngiyihrotman elingihlupa lapha ku Instagram.
Awufuni ngilende.
Askisi ntwana ish. Inama yang.
Fly, boy. Let him
Land boy,
Eh,
askisi.
dong, sengishiyeng
Askisi boy. Ah, the boy.
any moment now.
Inama elingihotman langihlupa man ish.
Yeah, mara okay. Like mawufuna ukushashalaza nahleli la, just know ukuthi you need to be prepared ukuthi uzokhuluma and not about
Shashalaza
you
FC.
but like general have opinions into sicelayo Other than that, different. It's nice to have
having guests. I also enjoy those episodes
because like experience it different. You get together like a different perspective about things and opinions.
Yazi into ngithanda guest mengekho ngikwazi ukuhlala phansi nami.
Nje amangcinic like I don't need to think ukuthi uthulile.
Uthulile kwenzakalani? Yeah.
Bese kakhuluma
Yeah,
kanti
that mean, like
akasathuli.
even production side, like without a guest, it feels more comfortable. 'Cause, like, now even me, I'm chilling.
You chilling right now. Kumnandi uyaphuza la.
The guest, yo, are they okay?
Yeah, you worry about them too much. Yeah. Mara guys, it's not good as in phone. You can hit me up lapha nokuchila na my email manager my account. Hit me up. Ningawari bafethu. Mina I do respond to my DM vela. Ngiyaboreka during the week.
Yeah, super famous.
Ngiyaboreka during the week. That's why ngithikhwele khotmanye ngihlupa Thomas South or something like that.
Oh, Thomas South. Thomas South.
Who's that dog?
Still.
Hey, he wants to come to the podcast, the nigga.
Yeah, he did tell me ukuthi ufuna ukuya mara ngimtshela ukuthi like obvious fanele siconsider into
The
calendar.
calendar, yeah, because
Even no last he wants to come.
Ulasti
Wesley Keys, we still need to have Wesley Keys on there.
Wesley ngimtexte futhi on blast. Wesley ngitshwala ngapi? Ngimtexte Monday reply afandag. It's like dog I was busy hard.
Oh, but uthi azoba guest this week.
No, not for this week. I just wanted to make sure ukuthi calendar like ngikhulume naye.
Oh,
ukuthi calendar masiyibeka. No, I just said feed the boy stuff. Yo, irresponda uma 6 days later.
Uthini?
Feed.
Umonitheni.
Ngisabuya kuye nami ngimshanga
I feel
le.
like they're the head staff's ego.
Yeah,
I
dog.
can tell right now,
Ni important.
yeah. His ego.
I don't have it to me.
Eliyamthanda uWesley le ntanga.
Not Wesley dog. You don't remember. You catch it after the episode.
What happened?
Wasakhumbula ukuthi ubani umuntu wangihetha inhliziyo. Oh, I feel again.
Asikhuluma mfana.
Sekhuluma. A dull side.
Yeah, sikhuluma fela.
Dark side.
No, ntanga yeah, Thomas my brother I saw your DMs in the supporting you.
Thomas South ngiyamazi bengikeleza naye lo ndili.
Oh. I'm gonna supporting. He comments everything boy, yeah.
Was it from primary? Nah, I think from Million Day, yeah. Charles preview feel.
Nah, nice.
But yeah,
What
he's
does he
all
do,
over
Phil?
talking. Yo, intwana like he has dope stuff.
Nah,
we
Phil.
Facebook I always like show him love dog.
Feel.
Like izinto zakhe.
Now we're gonna pull through. Izinghlubule la Grootman. Anyway, yazinto la kusane. Every time mangicala ngivula ama notifications wami. Thomas ukhona la. I'm like, Thomas.
Nami is always like that. He's always like that. But then he's a producer. I think he's also a DJ. Yeah, not even think he's also a DJ.
Does he know how to play the keys?
Yeah, Anton is a
Piano.
producer dog. I don't know. Mara yazi
I want someone
ingoma
to teach me how to play the
zakhe.
piano,
Lezingoma nyana ekhiphile le ngiyibona ku Facebook yenza ne music video.
Oh, nice.
Like isabo mas Java type.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
But then uyalishaya piano ntwana.
Ah, fair.
Una high track record kuthi tanga u DJ uboma yini lento le like yini lapha called fellas yini
Goodfellas, oh, eMozambique.
White House.
I think I know him,
The profile
fair.
ntwana ine profile.
If kwahlala eMozambique phela kuseMozambique lapha. Mase Goodfellas bisithanda ukuthi uyiphethe passport yakho. Awungeni ngana passport
Yini
eGoodfellas. Like passport like we used to just say that. Besithi Mozambique le ndawo leya. Siyawa.
Ziyawe kuphela zendibuyile no.
Nah.
Ngibone ngathi bebazama something
Swag.
lapha. Swag. Inking Goodfellas yela dominated that time. It was known for ukuthi like the second location place. I don't know, it's pop ada.
Lapho kuvala ngabo force ba
Yeah,
5.
it's proper.
Mawuphuma ngadawo ye White House.
Yo. Amele sibuyele siyodlala White House sometimes.
Mina White House.
Mara yeah, we had food at
Ngiporo ile resident DJ lapha ya.
AF umina like as fuck.
Yes, food as fuck.
Ngiyamanidlala White House akusalalwa yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, just forget about sleeping.
Yeah.
My dog I gabi.
Oh, the refill.
Hey dog
That's
also. Ndanga umsinawo na prep. No prep. I was askon also.
Ngiyadlala. Ngifuna ngizela something.
Mare, moving on.
Yeah, my
Hey, Joe, I was watching Sunset Sunday live mixes, ne. Bege that episode bege yabo Shakes and Less. Dog. The
Let's
DJ
lebekutshela ngayo.
dog DJ set up.
Pretty, I
dog.
want told pretty about this. I want to do this no kicks no Leah. Ngathi bekangayinakanga lento bengikhuluma ngayo.
Bengayinakanga. dog.
It's the
Bengayinakanga.
one where Shakes is playing that
That's
side.
right.
Yes, it's-
I went crazy, dog, when I saw it.
You should check out the Yaga K-Mat where she's playing both decks. Yeah, like she's playing that side and she's playing that other side. I loved that.
Kanjani like so maqeda ufanga
Two
apha
times.
uyangale
Yeah,
uyafanga.
that's how she's playing. One man, she's playing back.
Ah, mara what's the use of that?
I mean, it's crazy. For
I see you sit there even is this call out what's the use of that?
No, mina yabona lento
Oh.
le into bengikhuluma ngani
Can I
ngifuna no
point
kiss
out
no Leah
something?
fela.
Now I understand why sometimes kunokuba ne double sound uma like my mic.
Yeah.
Mawusondeza i-diving le ngiyayizwa phela ngimela.
Oh, iyarasa
That's-
le.
iyarasa.
Oh.
Benginokuzibuza ukuthi why when double sound.
Uveze I voice meter.
Oh.
Okay, now I understand.
Now you understand now ne? Yeah. Oh, you said lelo. Okay, perfect. Because mine ngiyalizwa nami. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, mele khalele phansi yimi ngimele ngizwe. Okay, now
Yeah,
I get it.
Okay, but manje tanga ngathi uyehlisile la asabambi kakhulu la.
Hayi khuleka angiyehlisanga ivolume ngiyehlisa.
Dog ayisaspike kakhulu da. What are you doing, dog? Ay, dog. Yabona manje sesiyazwakala.
How? Oh, lento yohlonya le.
I think fanele uyehlise one between the two.
Nah, leave it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that's why episode last week be quiet so ingana double sound.
Yeah, because of his head.
Bekela le.
Okay, but obviously at least he's really with his sound.
Yeah. It sounds good.
Yeah, dog. That setup was crazy, dog. Yo, but manje yeah, so digress. But then into ngizibuza yona ne, like batshelana okay, ngiyayifaka ingoma yokucala. Like how does the thing work, dog?
You know what's the clue then? It's like having a four deck CDJ.
Oh, CDJ, okay.
So basically, ufaka ingoma lena, ufaka lena. After that, when you have to pitch, make sure ukuthi ngada ziya sound. You don't need the master pitch there. You don't need the master temp. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a type of khona ngicheckile. I know how to do it. So the days so bana madeka 2, we have to do it. Ngiyokhuluma ngitshela ukuthi ngifuna
ushila lethi
ukuyenza.
lelaka elakhe
Sizame. And then from lapho so shama for ourselves. Ngifuna 4 hours no kicks no
for
serious.
4 hours set udlalana for 4 hours. Okay, mara nkinga ukuthi vele lokho ne rotate.
We are rotating
the time iza kuwe sekudlule maybe boma 3 songs.
3 songs. Yeah.
Every time. So it's cut so.
Yeah.
You know ukuthi ingoma is minimum
5.
Wazi ukuthi mawuzofaka inamba nje yami
Shaya dubula. Yeah. No, you have to do that setup.
yeba
Alile.
Where did you get that one?
I don't know. There's a song. Yeah.
khona ingoma ibiza ikoto times bambo 2 yebo sengilakile
Yeah,
check
fair.
out ku YouTube
Man ngifuna ukutekresa.
digress
Uma khathi yajola.
nentwana encane
Anginandaba ukuthi ujola uyajola.
I think so.
Ubani lojola nomakhazi?
That kid
Uright ekhanda.
what do you mean
Okay.
dog?
Before nithi ngizongikhanselisa fere.
What do you mean?
Asiphumela.
You can't say that and then uvele uyeke indaba. What do you mean? Go in detail. Explain. What do you mean?
Makhazi.
Yeah.
Umcabanga losisiluya kanjani maka keep makeup? Okay.
Now you're just shaming.
Okay.
her.
Okay.
She's beautiful. Emehleni wabantu abaya like
Okay.
abambona.
I didn't
That is okay, dog.
Okay.
That's a queen, dog. That's uzoxabana nabantu baselimpopo.
Angibasabi vele mos. Hayi
Amabele abo Warix.
mara batla chapa like nge 5 rand.
Ola abo Warix.
Apparently vele ithing to mahlatsi. Is a pretty guy you should know this like mahlatsi.
Mahlatsi ipedi. Oh, ewarra.
100%.
Awarra.
Mara ngipedi la se choose.
Oh, ona wa makhaya.
I do have in Limpopo, but like
You don't go there.
that close there.
You've never been there.
Warix.
I've been.
You've
couple
been.
times,
Yeah, thing is like ni vele Limpopo.
That I wouldn't know.
Oh. Afid. Awukazi ubuze.
Nah.
Google bana
Imagine you are this pool from Joburg who just came to the Makaya. They
Hey,
don't
the
even
first thing
know
you're gonna ask about
The
is
first thing
that.
you ask that mother. Like Regisha, like
Lightning,
Babies are lightning speed.
I don't know.
That's
That's
it.
what I'm telling you. I mean, I'm just paid by blood and that's it.
Yeah. Because tanatala ngizwe lento Limpopo mo ifuna like ningethola.
It's waiting to start.
Yeah, nestroke plastic le checkers yeah. Nestroke bathi naso yakazi kusithenga.
Anything in your bloodstream.
Mina. Alcohol boy. You didn't expect that answer, ne?
I'm talking in terms of shashalas, man.
Shashalaza fere ntanga ama slay queen boy. Nama slay queen lawo ngenzakalani ngawo. I saw some news about the sign Puji, Mahu.
The top news I know about Usain Pujile and ukuthi ama-account wakhe freeze, but that was like ama-account wakhe afreezwe ngo-December, guys.
Oh, afreeze ngo-December.
Leya vlog like I releasile, but vlog yakudala.
Oh.
You understand? But we release manje.
But then now there's this thing ukuthi manje uma who angazi babizile manje lama slip.
Oh, ukuthi like bajola nabantu
ama tenderpreneur nani yeah. Ba implicated into le madlanga nabo somehow was.
Dog ba implicated kanjani wena umjida bekatshontsha imali nena azobadalela.
Okay,
They're
utshela
just
ukuthi
beneficiaries of corruption.
kahle. There's nothing bad that's going on in the
dog
background.
uzomblema kanjani umuntu phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi mabajola nabo labantu angeke mambuzo angeke babuza ukuthi uyithola le mali le.
Mina abantu bahlazwa chete kabona mina.
Yeah, that's the thing. So right now phela ukhumbule imali laundering is a serious crime.
Story esikhona esikhulile into ukuthi lo obenefite ngathi from ubani konje. Nkosi something. Angazi unkosi ubani. Athi yena
Kisi Mike, why uzifihla like uzifihlile?
I'm afraid.
Awufuni ukubona vandag ighost.
Hey. Athi stuff some sikubheke emuva.
And I'm not ready for this.
Yeah,
for
but
this
then
event,
that chick ngathi benefite kakhulu because Joe even no anele mdoda dog.
Yeah.
Nayi outtake I think be
And then bathi uvula iTwitter yakhe, bekayidelete wayivula. I don't know what's going on. Like there's a lot of
hey fun.
Hey, corruption guys. Corruption is bad when I'm not involved.
Yeah.
How?
When you're involved.
When you're involved is good.
When you're eating, you don't speak.
That's why ubhekinte abantu abarasayila abangangekho corruption.
Injalo.
Awuzange ba benefit nix.
No,
Yeah, very corrupt.
obvious they just have to talk. Umuntu orasa kakhulu lo ukuthi bekunele ya benefit mara uyahluleka because khona umunye seka benefit.
Nibonile imali yaseZimbabwe entsha.
Zimbabwe inemali entsha. What's going on today?
It looks like South African money that shit dog. I wish I had a photo, ne?
Oh.
I wish I had a photo.
Yazin, please.
I'll pull it up.
Do your job.
Yeah,
dog.
I'll pull it up.
What does this guy ne? Sinokhuluma izinto ukuthi like abantu they would like to see a picture or something. Asha editing and then I edit picture.
Ask these guys, ngisuka sengikhathele.
Yeah, but just try.
My weekends are long, Joe. My weekends are long. I have to edit after the weekends, you dog. And ubhekinte one, no one can do the editing that I do in the short space of time that I do, dog.
As makuthemba feed.
Hey, how?
Shout out Themba.
Hey, ntana ngishaya isipalisi. Phela ntanga right now Joe shita ngasedeka so. I-episode kumele iphuma Friday le. Right now khona ntana bengibuza lapha eKaSlam. Ntana iphuma nini episode Tuesday, ngithi Tuesday. Uthi shuta no. U-editha nini sibalo ngoba uyaphuza wena.
Right, my Puma Tuesday because ungakhohlwa ukuthi the times of Puma Friday le ndawo esikhuluma my update.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why ngifostile ukuthi iphume ngama Tuesday.
Okay, that's good.
I used to do it Sundays. Hey, Sunday, hey. Saturday mangibuya. Ngiyazongidakiwe. Yabona manje. And I thought I could do it, but then hey, that's why I ended the podcast the first time. It's like I think rebranding, think restructuring everything man. Yeah.
So far, are you happy?
I'm happy dog. Yeah, with the work I'm doing right now. Hamba ngiphethe shapa snap. Ndoda.
Ndoda.
But I want to bring back Crystal Bear, cabanga.
Oh, anye kusho.
W Motion.
Yeah, because
I want to bring back.
Mara ngikutsane naye like Joe. Crystal Bear, like yenzakalani Crystal Bear? Is he still selling? I haven't seen anything and then I follow what I think.
Why singamfonela unayi number nje?
Angazi ukuthi unayi number.
Simbuzo.
I used to talk to him on Instagram untwana.
Mina futhi thinga like
Hayi.
sombuzo sizo.
Yeah, we'll talk to him and then,
yeah. But then moving on. Yo bafethu. Symphony key.
That this weekend.
Yaga Sun L musician.
Yeah, it's on the 13th of June.
Ngephethe yami. Asiyeni chance.
Kanjani ama tickets sold out dog within a couple of hours. They sent me e-link good dog. Nah, symphony. Nah, my ticket is starting at 300 to 350 there.
You want that shit is on my birthday dog.
Within hours. A matter of hours mangithi ngiyangena ngithi ngizothenga ticket.
Bazoyenza
sold out.
Bazoyenza second show.
I think so.
Mara
ntwana the headliners. You know what was crazy into ngenza ukuthi ngithi yazi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. The headliners dog. Kana Sanele ndlala Thukzini. Okay, Sanele dog.
Sanele ngibeka sekunye no. Ecavi kunye. That place where dlala play coffee.
Wait, ukunye konje manje is just a brand that's moving around with different places ne.
No, I think it is one location.
No, ikunye ungakhohlwa ivaliwe lesi Soweto.
Oh, I was it's moving around.
Now it's moving around.
Just yeah. Ikunye ina masimba yo.
No, I'm joking. No, not even I'm joking. I'm wrong. le valiwe ile yakanto man. Wait. Khona
kunye is
le
an event akusiyindawo
yeah, yini leso Soweto valiwe le.
makube njalo
Not makube
so
njalo.
sithi ivuliwe makube njalo
Khona le be famous ese-Soweto mara bayivalile yini konka ngiya confuse kunye no event ile yamahlebethe yeah
stop calling my music ihlebethe
amahlebethe dog
it's Afro house dog Afro tech this guy is calling my music
Yeah, but then-
I make that music izongholisa leyo nto ke lifini chu
you know what's exciting about symphonic think of all the artists that Usanel Music worked with
oh notabo simi mntana loya
oh
anyambona umsaki ntwana yamazi simi dog
simi nizosana
lo mntana maka ngathi buti ngicela ukushada ngingavuma
yo simi ntanguni voice yakhe ntwana yo like lenta
ushasha
yenza
recently ushasha
she's back now
shasha oh fresh no
man
Ikha, baba.
mchita lo tseka fresh no
abe angisho ukuthi bekabhede ecaleni mara like ugaine kahle no ugaine in the right places dog shit alo yana maka ngathi ngishade ngingavuma
fun sad
mara yazi ubani engavuma sika awumahu ntwana mahu mfethu if you see this yo kawrata aus Alisinto na ngitshela ntwana luya ngadropa wonke umuntu for yena
but yeah dog think of all the artists dog amufaku zobada
amufaku
dlala Thukzin think of all the artists udlala Thukzin asipane nazo
dlala Thukzin na indaba
I'm thinking of uzinxumalo ukuthi uzobada
she might not be around
no kanjani
World Cup icala nini
izinxumalo
icala nini World Cup
June somewhere
yeah she's leaving mas uyahamba
she's headlining there
yeah
World Cup?
Coca-Cola
ooh that's massive
Puma Coca-Cola
okay.
beyenza video there's an ad yakhe la khuluma ngayo World Cup khona so I think she's going I'm not sure
Shit.
I'm not sure allegedly
that girl is gone ubani mina ngimentakelo again
hangazi boy
same as
Isn't she
Uncle
part of
Waffles.
rap? Viva
It's
part
not the
of rap.
same as Uncle Waffles ne
no
oh
If it's the same as Uncle Wasif, yo. You know, I'm chewing gum.
yeah why
Yeah,
indoda edle piece mfethu
I'm on footsec.
shit
Footsec.
Chela khona ibhekene le episode uzokukhuza ngane
Footsec.
yeah
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, never mind.
isho ukuthi bafuze
No, I'm like, if Waffles was, yo, yeah, never mind.
if they are in the same ucabanga baku rap with
Yeah, this could be rap.
Waffles ku rap ne
I'm not sure. It could be.
Where's
I think
Waffles?
so.
I don't know I'm not
and
sure
why you can't even google things like that
we have class let's get be the fact check
yeah please check it my brother
Me am production. Fact check.
ayikho vandag udeding akekho vandag mfethu what's the go bongos hey bongi
Dex Supreme
Dex Supreme is here guys
DNT
Vula that just rip the pendant dog how yeah that's the ikumya ngwa studio say too many fucking oil
utripile
Yeah, I'm gonna smack oil, bro. I'm gonna smack oil.
yeah dog
3048 today
5048 guys man funa ukusibona oh askisi nizube sekulate mnandi manje besakhuluma ngani wait bonkosi you would have knowledge from nganto le Mike uqeda nokungena siyashesha yo aqeda nokungena sizine question uwafuls uku rap academy oh she's not mahlathi
Bonkosi no.
bonkosi saying no
verified
information
Ma uke waba affiliated ne rap before. Yeah. In a career.
apparently bekajola noZusi apparently apparently allegedly I heard it from someone
who was telling Nozus
who are fools that's why the information le ukuthi uGG udala jola noZusi is invalid
ngokizaza boy
hayi incredible
yini ubona mina ne namasimba lezaza ne dog
Yeah.
on the symphonic notes who would you like to see there with symphonic performing
na popa ino spina episode
Bruh, don't forget this is a
ndoda let's lay ringa nathi ngathi sihlelele
dog uyaringa futhi
isaringa
simshango
Bonkosi quite on set.
cela to be mic futhi
Quite on set, Bonkosi.
ufuna siphuze
Sponsors please ne ngicela nibancede baphuze Heineken
mina ngiphuze ni
Not because exposing us.
a black cup phuze a black cup
Yeah, mina ngazi yini.
yeah who would you want to be featured?
Ngiyazi
Who would you
ngizothi
like
see
to
mina
see? No, but to see me is obvious, dog. It's given.
I'd love to see her perform before I decide to get a music, dog. I've never seen Sing perform.
You wouldn't like to see something so weird, so dog.
Yo, dog.
Only
Ngumbuzi Elon mfethu phela umuntu oqala ivocal kumapiano leya.
dog.
Yiyo leya out yaqala ya pave way.
Dog,
Bayamdelela.
Classy, wouldn't you? We should cut. Oh, we are rolling. Wouldn't you want to see
Something so
weird to perform that symphony, dog? Something so weird to dog.
Symphonic
Symphony,
leya.
dog. Lo mchita lo shaya a cappella.
Yeah. Like that tennis desk yakhe.
What's that?
There's a event ebizwa nge tennis
Please close
desk.
the door. I think lighting is about different since lighting. Symphony, dog.
Boy Trezor for me.
Trezor.
I like to see the young boy Trezor.
Kufishana nabasanele.
Unengoma nosanele. Yo dog.
Okay, can I confirm ngikhuluma Red Bull Symphonic ne?
Yeah.
Red Bull Symphonic. Let me tell you who needs to headline lapha. Because bheka i-catalog oqala, ane?
Nice.
Nisibheke i-reach, sibheke ne-audience.
Sold out.
Number one.
Khumbula.
That's so.
Okay, yeah, sharp. Yeah, something so weird. Yeah, you're on point.
Yeah.
But we need to give credit. We credit is you. The first person was introduced. I mean, personally, piano. Shesha Keza.
But he
Malik needs to headline the thing.
Kanjani because
he was there on the previous one.
Perform already phela.
He wasn't headlining.
No,
He needs to be casting.
ungakhohlwa uthi le symphonic le
Yaka
yakadlala the headliners
Yes.
udlala Tuxin no Sanel Music.
Yes, I'm
Musician.
saying he needs to just headline. Kube uye kuphela because
Oh abe neyakhe.
Oh, catalog.
Oh yeah.
Catalog.
Utakanda vele naye.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Ukuthi kube uye
Okay,
kuphela.
Yeah.
okay.
But then do you know ukuthi unjeli kahle kahle akathanda ucula?
How?
No, lento le uyenza ngemistake.
Okay.
Wena uyazela lapha.
He spoke about it ku podcast and chill. Dala le. I think the episode khona they were in an
So
arcade.
uthanda ini?
He doesn't sing. That guy doesn't like to sing. He doesn't love to sing.
What does he love
Shit.
in terms of music?
Uthanda music nje.
DJing,
So basically DJing. Performing.
Yeah, did you catch his live set? Yes, Flying Fish.
Nah.
Yeah, so that's why. Ilapha bekadlalele ingoma zakhe zonke. Yeah, so yo ntana that was.
Angelic Dog is hot.
He has some nostalgic. Nostalgic.
Yeah.
But also, what do you think of them too? That do you think he also needs to headline? Because Mapigi catalog.
Ntanga uyizonto engitshela yona. He doesn't like to sing.
Singakhohlwa.
No, I'm Tuda.
Yeah.
You think Tuda also needs to do-
Singakhohlwa into eyi-one guys. Symphonic i-orchestra.
Yeah, orchestra.
Orchestring ihalala.
Them Tuda.
Them Tuda.
Oh,
I'm talking about them Tuda.
Why calling to?
Talking about Chezik wena.
No,
Not even do Chezik.
Ihalala konjaka yo ayi.
Yaka Chezik uyalala mfethu.
I'm thinking now.
Uzala
Yeah, singiyataka.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
thinking
but
of
them Tuda
them
dog.
Tuda needs to headline.
Eish.
Them Tuda dog held
Yeah,
us
but
down dog.
Yeah.
But he doesn't need a whole symphonic. Yaka utinga in. Music them
Segment.
Tuda is mostly guitar dog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all. So maka ngatholi band.
Because
I shy tiny desk nyana so.
ama-hit wakhe
Tiny
mostly
desk,
yeah.
ama-hit wakhe ne akhona but like
Mostly it's instruments like them Tuda kusida ungatholi violin.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all.
but then bakhona kuyenza mstyling there by-fi zwile ney'ngoma lezi zakhona vele bezenza lezi
Sure, but
like
nayi lefana nawe.
ayifani nami le dog ngeke
Ama siyaphika.
But nakhona like when khuluma nge-Red Bull Symphonic kuphela or what else? Like
Red Bull we're talking about Red
We're
Bull
still on the symphonic
Okay,
right now.
which other major events do you think we have here in SA? Okay, angisho specific
Kunye.
food.
Ikunye kanti yakuphi?
Kunye, no, it's here in SA, but angisho kunye like it's specific to like.
that's upcoming
No, it's specific to Afro.
It's not.
No, it's specific
Ah,
to
it's
Afro
specific.
House.
It's not.
Kunye dog.
I don't
Usually
know.
the piano
It's
la paya na
specific.
mosini.
No.
But you guys are playing.
No, Maphorisa.
Maphorisa.
Mamela, even Maphorisa when they book, even when they book Maphorisa, they write there on the side, which is an Afro pop set.
Oh.
So Kunye
It's
is
Afro-
specific
it's
to
Afro pop
house.
set.
Yeah, mara it's a big event.
Yes, it's a big event.
Asayile phansi azinani futhi. Yakhumbula umshupelo. Shupela was a big event in
No,
Ntwana. Questa work today in Ntwana.
Yeah, no, Huntersville was poor.
khona le ngicaba ugelayo bamshanga yamura la
Yamura khona iyaphuma.
X.
Iyaphuma.
it's an X no?
Yeah.
X
EXE.
Sha.
Yo,
And I'm
X
sure
ibhala
people
kanjani?
want X after lapho.
yeah definitely definitely
So lembazo lebayikhiphile.
ngathi lezi mkhwaye ngayo
Was mkhwayini?
ngoba marune scar
If you watch episode 3 of the podcast, ichila nami.
Yeah.
Khona la ngikhuluma ngale outhi le yangena esibhedlela ngiphuka isandla. Ulahani.
Khamba ngayo.
yazo ngiyasiba
Lawuthi le mengena ntangingena nembazo la.
That is lying.
yeah but it happens dog abanye ntanga bathola angithi ungakhohlwa ukuthi when into ihlabile ne you don't have to yank it
Yeah,
out because uzobleed out
uzobleed
yeah
So le yangena yini nembazo la. Ngisesibhedlela boy. Ingena lapha ibajwa amashita wayo. Iyakhala yazi ukuthiwa mayifika lapha government hospital boy. But sorry boss cela umela nini? Tangala uthi le ntanga mangilungihleli ngize ngakhohlwa ukuthi ngilibele isandla boy. Ngilongibhekene nayo ukuthi yo Ntwana.
trauma
Tangihleli kasolo.
It doesn't make sense.
Man,
Imagine leyo
Let's
dog.
not. Nambe ngiphuka isandla it was also emergency dog mara bangibekele inini.
Isandla.
Dog,
hey baba
Hey, you
uphukile,
could
babe.
die.
You told ice cream.
Internal bleeding.
oh okay
Yeah.
Hey, bathini?
No,
Khona le-
internal imophuka isandla.
Ngiphansi khona le
liyaphuka ithambo nelikhatha ama-arteries
ama-arteries ngaphakathi awuvulekanga. It was not open.
bleed out
Athari
Not
esandleni.
arteries wena man,
What's-
ama-veins.
ama-veins sorry sorry
Yazi bathi uphatha yini ngesilungu? Singingene i-term yakhona i-Dr. Term. Uphatha uzwa.
sengidayiwe
Akho Dr. Oz.
information yayo
Bonga doshi esikoleni mama uDr. Oz.
mntana bengiyinedi mara yabona
Yabona wena Ntwana.
wena
Weird wena Ntwana.
like we
Ukuma uDr. Oz.
Ngale awuthi
ban
weird.
Dr. Oz
Ha, mna benginobatshela lapha endlini ukuthi ngiphethwe isisu kanti ngimele ngimama uDr. Oz.
Oh, another thing you should know about uBonkosi ne guys. UBonkosi he's been weird from childhood vele.
Dr. Oz dog
Dr. Oz.
mina bengidotsha ngiya ku-NSA ngegroup wena ubudotsha ubukela u-Dr. Oz
That's why you should know
hey
weird.
this guy
You dog.
uBonkosi singitshele interesting facts about uBonkosi. uBonkosi ngimaza sifunde high school. Wanginika i-GCA engaphelelanga lo.
Ah,
Lo.
kanjani
No,
dog?
yeah,
Ngitshela
Ama-computer games.
Sun and Rays.
I-laptop game yabo.
Yeah.
Ngicela uthenga computer. Bengakwazi ukudownload. Bonkosi ku download dog. Ngimazi from dala lo. Hawu ngiyayithatha mina bangifike endlini edlala.
No, angisho mina ngichinjile yena bayangakwazi ukuyichinja.
Oh, okay.
But okay.
So problem yakhe.
Screaming up. Angisho.
But why? You came to my house and fixed it vele.
I'm here for music.
Music why
I'm here for music. I'm here for music. I'm here for local brands. I'm here for the fact ukuthi le podcast chila nami podcast into yasekasi uSparks ugcoke lapha in my dolphin.
Kuza thina kudakwa wena. Sparks.
And I nickname letter madam le yacaba.
Amen.
Sparks.
The Sparks.
Which segazini
Oh
uyayibona.
guys, why stuff into yasekasi agcoke iMiami Dolphins. Akaza eMiami. Nango omunye ushaw SpongeBob. Akazi uSpongeBob hlala lapha.
Under the sea, dog.
Understand, my man. You know what I'm trying to understand.
Which ocean is SpongeBob
Man.
from? Pacific or Atlantic?
My man, yes, I'm trying to
That's a
understand.
question.
Why I'm trying to understand.
Uyaziphazamisa wena.
DJs and what. Why support amachita wasekasi? Wangagcoka impahla zasekasi.
Watch this episode. We spoke about that.
Ufike late.
Fike late.
Maka sengikhona manje.
Ngeke
Ngeke
sibuyele
sibuyele lapho eh. Ngeke.
Ngigcoka impahla zasekasi.
Ngeke. Wena lokho readers uke waya NFL wena wazi NFL. Which NFL star do you know wena? Which QB do you know?
The fact ukuthi amachita wagcoka impahla zasekasi.
Which QB do you know?
Cut the mic. Dog.
Cut the mic.
Cut the mic.
Nga highlights at least ke.
Okay, we spoke ukuthi like
about-
we didn't know now we even like dog
Delve
the whole
into-
conversation dog.
Ama-brand
Yeah.
asekasi ayayenza ayalay-buy. Did you know that? Ama-local brands. We actually
know
called
that.
Yeah,
we actually
understand.
called ama-owner of ama-brands eswaziyo.
Yeah.
They told us uCooks yena uthe uyenza on the website only.
Ukuona in.
Swi
Sweet.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then uSimza ushayiswe enkasibale 2 months lay-buy and uMahlori 10 ufuna imali so no.
Pay. Yeah.
Mahlori uyenza i-siblings. I always weigh siblings la on the podcast man.
Nama
No,
also
yeah,
have
go,
which
nah.
the siblings. I also have a cap le Sonkaspad.
Yeah.
Like I do have a match. But the
I
thing
think
is,
I'm
like dog,
Okay.
watch the episode. Watch
the episode,
watch this
you
episode,
understand.
my color, and then you'll understand.
Yeah,
Because we
can
spoke
it be
about
number context?
Since
I thought we need to move on.
recap. live
Ngifuna
on the podcast.
Oh, I'm a contact you.
Yeah, wala bantu.
Yeah,
nice, nice.
we'll plug you.
No, I don't
Ah, Tina,
Then go-
Yeah, you know. Domain, ENT domain. Hey,
Angithathela imali mahlathi. Sesikhumbule voice yakho mahlathi.
It's your voice now.
No baba ngasomqosha lo. Asomqosha serious.
Uthi hayi. Yeah, but moving on, eh? Okay. Mina ngithe something.
awubukelwa mangabo le podcast but ngicela sikhulume ngendaba yokuthi does it make sense ukuthi
Unkosi yetshona.
abogela bafuna
Hey,
ukuthi
dog.
simatche impahla.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't make sense. Okay. Let's make impact.
Ngicela ubeke amaqala one since they can't watch the same Air Force. Khanda.
Sengigcoke
The mid.
sesigcoke nje umama echana.
Yes, angithini.
It's for him, it's for her.
Wena
King yena, queen mina.
wena right now ukhuluma nomuntu wrong right now. Mara wait, asibeke in the record straight ukhuluma nomuntu wrong. Says the guy that is a mission Air Force no Chirag.
Oh.
Hey dog, matching
namanga.
Air Force. No, you're lying, dog. No, dog. That was a Jordan one, mina ngipayilisa.
Mara it's the same color.
It's
Okay.
not, dog. Inking okay, but yeah.
Yeah, but does it make sense?
no.
Which is
yeah?
match. Does it make sense which is match?
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Now do it, dog.
Mina for me, it doesn't. And angiyenzi.
Says the guy that
Are
doesn't
you a lover? Are you a lover
Nangiyenzi.
stuff?
No, I'm trolling man.
Angiyenzi.
No, but angibuza uchacho. I'm
Oh.
saying like are you a lover? That person
It's
that wanna like.
There's a difference.
Yeah.
There's a difference
Yeah,
between a
like
lover and
like a
a
person like who takes care,
Yeah.
Lomo, abona.
Sweet dog.
I want to sweet.
You do the
Oh yeah, I do the smallest things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you a lover.
Yeah.
When I give muntu
You teddy bear.
asipratini.
I'm a pen.
Rafu mthambula.
Yeah.
Umrembula, umrembula.
Yeah, kid.
Ngithanda wena.
Sex machine. Sex machine.
Hayi.
Sex man you.
Ngathi ngiyasithengisa manje.
Such a nut.
Hayi, take. Ucumaphi my dog. Uba le mic dog. Wani leta yeka bila ngizi.
Akungamelanga so ngoba umu-invite bonkosi. Bokumele sikhulume unyawo. Cha biyala.
Bro, moving on. I see on the socials, it's that time of the season. People are graduating. Congratulations to everyone. It's a beautiful sight. Yo, it's really nice, guys.
Nesebenza yeah.
That thing is not simple, eh? Ayikli easy the
Wena
idea.
ngibona uposte ukuthi udinga i-25,000 for angazi outstanding balance.
Joe, like kwabantu bangafundi Joe, and nakhona iWhatsApp does say ukuthi reshare.
Oh, you shared. Oh.
Dog, mina ngifuna 25,000.
Awumangele
For
mfethu.
kubhatala no, I'm not owing anyone fees. Ngigraduateile ngithole degree yami. I don't owe anything. I'm
What are you
okay.
majoring in?
BA, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and
Yini le? Angifundanga mina.
but yeah.
Explain.
Zatin, it's about administration as a whole. It had politics as well. So now you understand why I'm into politics.
Politics,
as well.
yeah, I understand now.
It has history and
Fundonga Mandela lapha.
social.
Hitler.
Yeah, but then I didn't choose that streaming. Choose
Okay,
the
wait.
stream sociology.
Okay, wait. Ngicela ukubuza question ne. So le theory le ekhona about Hitler right now sonke sayivuma vele.
Let's see.
Yeah, ukuthi Hitler autocrat.
But then inking ukuthi if the way ubona the way the Jews are moving right now, and thinking ukuthi during those times they were even worse.
So
Would you blame Hitler? Because Jews don't have some fucked up culture dog and like
bazosibe ama-Jews ane-power ntwana.
do you know they have this
Jews ama-Juda ne.
Israel they have a statue bebane statue
Ngiyacala ukubona ustaff asaba abantu.
hey dog
Jews dog.
mara vele they are dangerous
Let's
but then it's ngisho le part one Israel jog banento dog bane statue saka Satan.
How?
And they were angry ukuthi Israel bombed that statue dog. Ibal dog. that statue lesesenze kanje
Eh,
bazongivisit ebusuku bathi labantu bayavisithana ebusuku ngangivisit Holy Ghost fire.
Fire.
Yeah, lama meme lawa wathi when you get to hell and then Satan asks
Shabarapunda.
but Satan
Ubonisa sana ukuthi belimkhipha kanjani.
Shabarapunda.
I think bonke labo pastor bazoya lapha. They have to do that same thing. Abomporo laba bakhipha amafish emakukwini abo mama
Mina
abantu.
ngithi Mike Jens ezinkhuluma ne. Yeah.
Ngithi abomporo laba bakhipha amafish emakukwini abo mama abantu.
Marantwana like iscam isingaka.
Umporo was the biggest scammer of all time.
Bushiru mlahlela phi?
Ubushiri waleko nokubaleka manje.
Exactly. Bushiri.
Mara ufundisa umporo.
But then dog Bushiri.
Khona yo mara ethingaba nemintrubi labo abantu. Abantwana bazongihunter. And yacava bengifunda nabantwana bakamporo. Blessing no blessed.
Blessing the blessed.
Yeah. Benkeleza nazo primary.
Nesono yo.
Benkeleza nazo primary field. Mama wathi grand. Blessing bekathanda ukudraw. We used to exchange ama drawings.
Blessed uyedlungishaya.
Blessed ulo mdala. He was older than me, like a year older.
Blessed or blessed?
Blessed. And then
So you mean I go to bless you? Blessed actually.
Yes. Yeah. Blessing no blessed. Blessing bekathanda ukudraw. We used to exchange drawings naye. Until I found out ukuthi babakhe umporo.
Usamani.
And then bamkhipha esikolweni bese bampulisha lapha.
Ukuthi baba awes man.
Baba kukhipha amafish emakukwini abo mama abantu.
Yo, mina imgwa.
Gustav was just scared Gucci blessings drawings are gonna become real.
Benginokucabanga after finding out ukuthi baba kumporo vele. And I used to see the car ezomlanda esikolweni. Benomporo ngaphandle. Ngithi lezi wazilanda imoto
Oh dog, I'm sorry ne.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I actually have the story lesaka Senbush. That
I want to know about the side position.
So Kagiso Lerutla,
Who's that?
politician that is it's
They
a story.
Ulobeka mniki 50k per week.
Yeah, let me read the story. Appeared in Boksburg court with Julius Mkhwanazi facing corruption, fraud and defeating ends of justice. Ne? He is now alleged to be funding the luxury life of Sayen Buji, Mahu and Sithelo Shozi. Nah, ngilokele bengifuna Sithelo Shozi.
Because umahu uthenge indlu angakabi famous.
10 million dog. Angakabi famous. She's famous dog, but the
She's
funds
famous now.
don't make sense. Ukuthi hey wena you told up 10 million.
Yeah. Hi. Mkhwanazi are they related? Mkhwanazi the general and the fake one. Actually fake the corrupt one.
I don't think so. This is South Africa.
General nginokuhlala ngiyi1 ngithi mara ugeneral ngathini naye bekaphatho zonke lezi zinto.
And manje bam appoint as leading as the leader of the national PKKT or what yeah.
Mina
Political killing task force.
My brother
The national. Yeah. Now he's responsible for the national one.
police force.
He was responsible for the provincial one eSeTeben, but now national. That's
let's do
big action.
batla manje. And I'm getting
Ufuna ukubuza yeah, ufuna ukubuza. 5 let's speak.
Tata. We are on the podcast. Come on, boy.
Yeah, you said you were shooting by the containers, but you are not.
We didn't change. We ate Philemons. I didn't tell you, boy.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah?
We ate Philemons.
I didn't tell you.
Yeah, no one told him.
Sorry, my
Ask his villa. It's like Philemon, boy.
Away.
LSD.
Vele.
It's always nice to work with LSD.
Ne?
Yeah. It's always nice. That guy is really connected. And Ntwana like, I want Ntwana man it's in your push. Like, he takes the craft very seriously. But then, now my question what's under? Now my question by Feto's man blue. How does a person who doesn't have hands donate his sperms? Is it the doctor?
Maybe the nurse. Mina, okay. Here's another fucked up question. If another. No, it's the same context. I'm thinking maybe you nurse. Couldn't begin a sentence. I don't know.
Have you ever heard of a story ukuthi umuntu onganazandla uyilo etoneti?
I've never heard of a story la umuntu donate ama sperms wakhe khona. So
okay,
I'm from the hood.
No one discloses.
I'm from the hood, Joe.
No one discloses.
Khona abantu abashaya igabe every day lokishini why banga donate vele.
And wenza imali, serious man. You can make serious money.
Abo bonkosi nshaya igabe manibhorekile mfethu. Why not donate?
Nah, tanga either way dog. Donating a sperm dog it's like donating a part of you. Khona abantu abanga feel comfortable
So
with the fact
you'd rather just kill your babies but
ngcono than ukuthi izokhula ingane ube eyakho ingane but you don't know the
Awuyazi,
ngane
yeah.
hayi dog khona abantu
You are
abangayiboni
you are a father of 200 and something children. That's the movie.
yeah
Lengane izophathwa amadlozi.
That's the problem. That's I think donating sperms as a black person. The problem is lapho.
yeah icala
Yeah,
la.
yeah.
We are too
So kumele umenze lo
religious.
msebenzi.
We are too religious we are too yeah, we are too
Awumazi
religious and
Zulu.
cultural
Umama wakhe isifebe sakudala cabanga la kumele izisebenzi. What are we doing here so like lapho we need to slaughter this cow. The baby
But
needs
then-
the cow. Whoa. Related question.
oh yeah
Disabled. No hands. And awukwazi ukukhuluma.
okay
Sign language uzenza kanjani?
You. Shit, how do you even communicate?
Da da da.
Shit, that's a fucked up one. How do you even communicate? uNkulunkulu usuka yo mara okay.
Mara akuzondi because yazi
Akuzondi.
ukuzonda nini uNkulunkulu. You are blind, you are mute, awuzwa.
Bakhona abantu abanjalo vele.
Yeah, ukhona. I've seen.
Oh, lento izwakala.
Mhlathi
Let me protect my mind.
uphakamisa le dodo. So ukhona umuntu engike ngabona isitori sakhe sinjalo feel. Like blind, mute and deaf.
Damn.
So when una sense life in.
Yeah, like
No
senses.
sense, like ama senses.
Unesense ukutaste them.
Phela. That's not a sense.
Really, a sense of touching.
Mamela, lokudla okudla awazi ukuthi kunjani ngokubhekile, awukuzwanga, awazi awubonanga.
Zanga is crazy, dog. Zanga is crazy.
Ukuzwa ngokutaste. Cabanga ngabangininga amasimba. Awazi nokuthi yimbi. Mara ke bafethu it's been an hour and something.
It's been an hour. I mean,
Including-
my prep is done. Nice episode so far. I don't know if
Including-
you have something else.
Including Donald Trump Donald Trump. Wait, let me land.
Yeah, I'll give
Let
you the
me
mic. I'll
land.
give you the mic. Yeah.
Donald Trump usafuna abelungu namanje ukuthi beze ngala.
Yeah, dog, that guy is fucked up, dog. They are crash out, ala. He wrote like a whole paragraph crashing out achela amanye ama president ukuthi bayahlanya
Mnangagwa.
uPutin Shinji what lwasi China and
Him Gonching
no nalo wase
King Jong-un.
King Jong-un
Yeah.
was in North Korea. They were having like a meeting babota like a private meeting for like 2 hours.
Uyacabanga ama video ekhowa leya. Le inokumiwani nje.
Le inje le.
Icabanga ukuthi ngopha mabani.
Mara,
Yeah,
let me
Kim
land.
Jong-un.
They were having like a 2-hour meeting,
Yeah.
a private meeting. This guy crashed out or released a statement. Wati kule meeting le they are having, which is the movement. This guy I'm talking about, the Trump.
Yeah.
Crashed out. Jingoba they were having this meeting. They are conspiring against United States.
Oh.
Uthi they are planning
So afuna ukubhoma manje.
bazobhoma United States. So manje he's trying to push propaganda ukuthi labantu laba njengoba bahlangana. They're trying to be against the USA.
Oh.
So kind of
On the-
crazy about this guy.
let me learn
Like he
something
said a
here,
lot of things.
On the note ama president. Umnangagwa.
Mnangagwa yaseZimbabwe.
Ivale ama trade ne South Africa bonile.
Ivala ama train.
Ama trade.
Trade.
Yeah.
Okay.
South Africa ne Zimbabwe sa trade lana.
Okay. Why?
Sashayisana.
Why?
Mayizo nofuna uzucela phansi yabona manje.
Why? Like
Feeling is like mabahambe. And I'm sure uzwakele la. Feeling is like
okay, but
mabahambe.
why?
I think angazi ukuthi iconcept yakho zange ngithole kahle ngizwe ngethema lami makaringa. Thema lami ukuthi
Uthasini.
nginohlangana naye yavela athi yazi ushwala kabi unangangwa ngiyenzeni. Athi unangangwa uvala ama trade ngithi hawo. Okay, context nix. I wanna research
But rather
more.
we trading in Zimbabwe.
eZimbabwe.
I'm a foreign.
Ama foreigner yami. So ufuna ukubavala nabo ukuthi bangasajama. Ufuna ukuvala yonke into because right now imali from la ukuya eZimbabwe ayisayi. That's why banemali efana nethu manje.
Shit, okay.
That's why banemali efana nethu. I-context yale mali leyo engikhuluma ngayo imali.
There's a
lethu.
lot.
Yeah.
A lot is going
Angazi
on.
I'll get the context and ngizokukhumbuza ngayo next week indaba khona. Ithema lami beka lokho ngixoxele leyo inokukhuluma in passing. Mina ngangoshala kabi siyadlula.
You had something, my dog.
Hey, okay.
Yeah, in closing wanna close boy.
closing,
Yeah,
you
it's
wanna
really
close,
hour.
yeah.
man.
What
Miss
should we
Plumile,
expect from you guys today? I'm going to show you playing a Food AF.
Food AF,
We are
yeah.
playing it.
Bengazi siyadlala vele.
Hayibo. Kanjani?
Nah,
Yeah.
amalokutune akhona boy.
What do you mean?
Asikawasethi. Mina angawasethi.
Yeah, like what are you expecting? What should we expect? Is kitongo, is straight piano? What's going
I'm
on?
thinking of
Abantu
playing
abasaziyo.
Afro House.
Hayibo. Well, abantu abasaziyo dog don't know ukuthi dog we are all about groove supply. So groove songs. Thina
songs,
siyajayivisana
man.
whether
This is
it's 6,
we look at
whether
the
it's
crowd
7, whether it's 10, whether it's we are playing our own thing.
We're gonna look at the crowd
We
first.
make sure ukuthi abantu mabakhona, let's say even if but it's a crowd of 10 lapha ekhoneni, sifuna uyibona imove. Won't play ingoma espora.
That's why igama le mixtape yakapha nespinach
Groove
kuyini
supply.
groove supply. We supply groove with
Yeah.
tunes, my brother.
Tunes, like heavy tunes. That's our plan. That's our motion.
That's your plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so going.
Ngawari siyekunye soon nathi. Oh mina.
Nikunya.
Oh mina
Nikunya
ya.
ngisho.
Nyaya. You keep EP le Afro. Ngizisile le Afro House.
Yeah,
you see? Yeah, boy.
but now obviously
We
like,
have to wrap it up, okay?
okay, let's wrap it up. Yeah, one last question. Yeah, like what goes into curating a set? Yeah, I ain't sending Shilo who's like
Look
when
tunes.
you get there, send Shilo who's like you
Check the size.
You gauge the
You gauge
audience.
the- yeah.
Who's okay? Yeah, this is what I'm gonna play.
Yeah.
And then obviously if they don't like it, you switch up.
Yeah.
But like from the get go, mabati ozanizodlala phana. What goes into your mind?
First things first, look tune.
So you want
First things
exclusives?
first. Yeah. First things
first.
first.
Well, I mean, I won't lie.
For me.
Depends. If let's say it's a live recording njengathi
Yeah.
vele like ngwela kakhulu kuma look tune because it's something ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi fanele izo-uploada ku YouTube and YouTube has this thing yokuthi
Flagger.
izokuflaga if you
Mama
play
it just
people's songs.
yenzani? Mike Flagger. I blocker iRussia kuphela.
Nah, it depends ukuthi ingoma yakhona iyenza.
No, mamela, we've had two amagroove supply tune. Iflege iRussia kuphela. Ba mute iRussia kuphela angazi why. Yezala ngeRussia ne South Africa ne YouTube.
I'm not sure.
Okay, sure.
But yeah, for me, what goes into a set, when I create a set, let's say ngizodijanga one instead of put like Popeye no spinach. For me, my set is more based on my feelings, like a feeling. I understand.
Okay.
You'd see I have this thing any release or feature my mix. I call them my listening sessions.
Yeah.
Those are based on emotions. I understand. So
How you
that,
feeling? So
yeah, how am I feeling that day? I understand. Plus ningo menus tolai. You can find ukuthi my listening sessions can be all about spirituality and like telling a story about my life. I understand.
Through music.
Through music, I can actually do that. I tell me a story about my life through music. Go and listen to my listening sessions volume 1 and check it the way I curated the songs like in the meaning because most of the songs that I play there ingoma nama vocals in the meeting. I sing it in the meeting. It's the meaning. I understand.
Meeting after la
Hey, my guy.
ngiyakubona.
Hey, dog. Yeah, but then that's how I curate them. But then if let's say it's groove, I have to go and DJ Nyapuma. Joe, crowd control.
Yeah.
Because for me, DJing is a journey, dog. I have to make sure I'm the driver. I'm a passenger, a passing lamb, and I have to make sure we arrive safe. Like it's a smooth ride. So
100%.
crowd control. I make sure I want to drive. I want to okay. There's Engana lens. Maria Bon.
Angina lens mara ngiyabona.
But then
Yeah.
Yo shit.
Ufuna ukuthi ngibe blind.
but then
train of thought.
Oh, but
Yeah.
then I make sure okay. There's a point where it comes Gucci.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
I'm building up the set. Okay, manje, it's time Gucci. Sengqedile ukubuild up the set. Asigijime manje.
And
Yeah,
he does that.
I understand.
No.
Sesiyagijima
Nokuzama
manje.
kuba
Yeah.
male. Yeah.
This will be actually my first time listening to you guys. Like
Aye.
You've never listened
Come
to
on
us
with
live.
it.
live. No, this is the first time.
Angithi sike sathi asam so shy live recording.
Yeah, this will be my first time.
That's
looking forward to it.
But we're there.
Yeah, we'll be there.
But otherwise,
Yeah, I'm looking forward, guys.
Yeah.
nah,
Yeah, all
Kulego,
I'm-
you'll see us.
Mina,
But
I still have to listen to my look tunes and set them up. Mara mo USB ungaphethe
So
fela
bona
kufana.
khona.
Nice, yeah,
But either way, that's about it from my
Yeah,
brother.
bafethu from Popeye no Spina Fede.
Yeah, boy.
We are here, we are trying, we are doing the most somehow. LSD is here.
Set up.
Hlathi to the teaser about to close it. Philemon usazilungisa naye ufuna kuyanyiwa.
Siyakhala manje.
Siyakhala manje.
They're preparing.
Yeah, and then you should wait for the BTS vlogs. Tell them, my brother, BTS vlogs.
BTS vlogs today.
Yeah.
From us, and Shaka Snap, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap.